Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 10 and 11, the last two sums from exercise 8.3, chapter 8, comparing quantities. Question number 10. What rate gave rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? See here, interest is given, that means simple interest is given on a sum, that means principal is given 56,000, interest 280 rupees, principal 56,000 time 2 years. So missing is rate. So you have to find the rate. Simple interest rupees 280, principal 56,000 rupees 56,000 time 2 years. Now as we know that simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. All the given portions I will write here. Simple interest is equal to rupees 280. Here we will write rupees 280 as simple interest is given here. Then PRT by 100. Principal is rupees 56,000. R is missing here. Write R as it is. And time 2 years by 100. So only R is missing here. We have to find the value of R. First of all, we will cancel this. Is it possible to cancel? Cancel. Now what happened? Rupees 280 is equal to 56 into 2. 0, 6 to the 12, 5 to the 10 and 1, 11 R. Now to find the value of R, what I will do? 1120 R is equal to rupees 280 or R equal to rupees 280 by, as you are solving simple equation by transposing method, 1120 you will divide here, 1120 divide it, cancel it also in this way. So what we can see, we can divide it by 2. 1 za 4 za, 14 2 za 28. If you divide it, 5 2 za 6 2 za. Again, if you are dividing it 14 4 za, 14 1 za 14, 14 4 za 56. So what is the rate percent we are getting? 1/4%, or you can write it in this way also. Now, rate percent is 1/4. You can write 1/4% also, or you can write 1/4 in the decimal formation. Divide 1/4 into decimal fraction. To express it, you can divide it 0 point. By giving a point, you can take 1 0. 4 2 is 8. Subtract it, and for the point another 0. 5 4 is 20. So 0.25% also the rate what you have to find out. Come to the next question. Now in question number 11, if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at the rate of 9% per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? Here see again, simple interest is given rupees 45, time 1 year, rate 9%. What is missing? Find the sum that she borrowed. So principal is missing. As it is, we are writing the formula SI is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So SI is rupees 45. In the place of the symbol, I am writing the value. Principal we don't know. So instead principal we are keeping the place only P. In this place rate is 9% time 1 year by 100. So what we are getting here, 45 equal to 9p by 100. We can change the left hand side and right side. As a whole we are changing, so no need to change the sign. 9p by 100 is equal to 45. Now separating the variable, 9p is equal to 45 into 100. Therefore, P is equal to, P is our principal, 45 into 100, and 9 was multiplied here. So for transposing, I will divide this by 9. Now 9 5s are 45. So therefore, principal is equal to rupees 500. So what sum she has borrowed? Therefore, she has borrowed. Therefore, after getting this value, we can write she has borrowed rupees 500. So these two sums we have to do today, because these two are the last sums of this exercise. So I hope all of you understood this. Practice these sums. Thank you, students.